Does GoDaddy work with Square? Yes, GoDaddy works with Square in several ways, primarily through domain management, email integration, and online payment processing. Here's how they can integrate. 1. Connecting a GoDaddy domain to a Square online store. Purpose: use a domain purchased from GoDaddy for your Square online store. Steps to connect: log in to your Square online dashboard. Navigate to website Domains Connect Domain. Enter your GoDaddy domain and follow the steps to update your DNS records. Alternatively, use GoDaddy's Auto Connect feature if prompted. 2. Using GoDaddy email with Square. Purpose: set up professional email addresses with your GoDaddy domain for communication with Square customers. How to set up: purchase a professional email package, Microsoft 365, from GoDaddy. Use your GoDaddy email to send customer updates or confirmations through Square. 3. GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing with Square Payments. Purpose: use Square for payment processing on a website built using GoDaddy's Websites Plus Marketing. How it works: GoDaddy's Websites Plus Marketing platform supports Square as a payment processor. Connect your Square account to accept payments seamlessly. 4. Benefits of using GoDaddy with Square. Domain integration: easily connect your GoDaddy domain to Square Online. Email services: professional email addresses from GoDaddy enhance business communication. Payment processing: Square can be integrated as a payment option for GoDaddy-built websites. Customer support: both platforms offer support for integration and setup issues.